This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, July the 26th, 2011. Let's first take a look at a satellite image from last evening. You're going to see the monsoon will flow over the desert southwest into the Rocky Mountains. Showers and thunderstorms over the northern and central plain states, also across the south, and some clouds over northern New England. Here's the watch warning map from about 1 in the morning. You can see a severe thunderstorm watch expiring over Montana into North Dakota. Some flood issues over Colorado, Utah, and North Dakota. The rest of the nation was quiet. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. A moderate risk is in effect for places like Aberdeen, South Dakota, and southeastern North Dakota, with a slight risk including the northern plains, Minnesota, and extreme northwestern Iowa. Here's the severe weather outlook for Day 2, that's for Wednesday and Wednesday night. A slight risk of severe weather for the Black Hills and also from northern Kansas through Nebraska, most of Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, and northern Illinois. The main threat will be from damaging wind. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. You can see the heaviest precipitation will be across the northeastern counties, where upwards of 2 inches of rain is possible, with areas to the south and west getting a ½ an inch. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a bit of a ridge over the center part of the country with a broad trough over the east and over the west. And with that, there could be an isolated chance at a shower and storm by late afternoon and evening, with the better chances overnight and into the following day, Wednesday. And here's Wednesday with the best chance of showers and thunderstorms, at least in the early part of the day, over Minnesota, Wisconsin, and northern Iowa, with further development to the south and west as the day progresses. Thursday, still a chance of a shower or storm with the boundary in the vicinity. Better chances will be over the southern and eastern counties. Friday, model still shows maybe a shower or storm, but less, a 20% crack at it or less. Otherwise, temperatures will be in the 80s to near 90. Saturday will likely be dry. The model wants to show maybe an isolated shower. If that occurs, it's going to be less than 10%. Highs will be in the 80s to near 90. Sunday, another boundary or frontal boundary moves in with enhanced chances of showers and thunderstorms once more, at least a 20 to 40% crack. Monday, the boundary is through the state but lingering over the southern counties. Highs will be in the 80s to lower 90s. A week from today, Tuesday the 2nd of August, you can see the ridge is now developed over Texas, Oklahoma, into the desert southwest, with the main storm track along the U.S.-Canadian border. And with that, a system will be just entering the state and the plain states at that time, which could kick off some more showers and thunderstorms. So it'll be fairly active over the next week. We move further into Voodoo. Here's August the 6th. Ridge is now over the southern plains and the deep south, with the main storm track yet again over the northern states. With that, that's where the best chance of showers and thunderstorms will be, is over the northern states, and any popcorn showers that form during daytime heating over the deep south. And at the end of the forecast on August the 10th, big trough over the western part of Canada into the Gulf of Alaska, with a ridge pumping up over central Canada and a bit of a trough over the east. With that, we look to be fairly tranquil. Some rain, showers, storms south and east of the state, so it looks to be fairly quiet at that time. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.